Fresh and very simple. These tagliolini al limone, so saporiti assai. Let's start with the fresh pasta. We'll work in a bowl so we don't get the counter messy. Pour in the flour and add the eggs in the middle, then start working them with the fork. Now that the mixture has some solidity to it, I'll transfer it to the counter and keep kneading it until the ingredients are compacted together. We have to knead it for a few minutes, adding the flour a little at a time for as long as the dough requires it. Shape it into a ball, wrap it in film, and leave it to rest at room temperature for half an hour. The dough has rested. I'll take a portion and keep the rest covered so that it doesn't dry out. I'll work it with a pinch of semolina so the dough doesn't stick. And then if you like, you can work it with the rolling pin. I have the machine, so I'll do it with this. We have to pass the dough through the rollers multiple times, from the widest thickness to the narrowest. Here we go. Our pasta is nicely stretched and thin. I'll trim off the edges. The parts that were cut off, we'll put them to one side, combine them with the rest, and repeat. I'm going to cut out rectangles of 25 centimeters in length. The noodles have to have a thickness of 2 millimeters. It's not very easy, but it can be done. Sprinkle on a pinch of semolina, and then fold it into the center multiple times. And here are our tagliolini noodles, but for an easier method, we can use the machine. And here our last nest is ready. With the machine, of course, you can do it more quickly, and the measurements are a lot more precise. I'll arrange the nests here on the tray, which I've already floured with a bit of semolina. What's missing? The lemon dressing. I've already heated the water we're going to cook the noodles in because the dressing will take less than a minute, more or less. Heat up a splash of oil and just a few cubes of butter. The rest I'll keep to one side because I'll need it for creaming later. Give it some aroma with the thyme leaves, and then the very fragrant lemon peel. Let the flavors blend together over a very, very low heat, and in the meantime, I'll juice the lemon. I recommend filtering the juice like this so that the seasoning will be very smooth. The water's at the right temperature. I can put the nests in. The pasta is freshly made, so it takes less than a minute to cook. Then I'll put it straight into the dressing. Pour in a ladle full of the pasta water. Let the noodles pick up the flavor for just a moment, and then I'll move on to creaming it with the butter. Add the butter I set to one side and start creaming. If needed, I can add some more water. Everything is ready. We just have to plate it up. I can't wait to taste it. Fresh, creamy, but above all, saporiti assai.